A green welcome to you all for a cleaner mobility, electric vehicles. And my name is Krishna Chaitanya Mandela. What is the difference between a lithium-ion battery pack and lead-acid battery pack? And which battery technology is more suited for an electric vehicle? Let's check it out. Let's start with efficiency in these two battery packs. For a lithium-ion battery pack, the efficiency is 96%, whereas for lead-acid battery pack, the efficiency is 70%, which means for a 1 kilowatt hour lithium ion battery, the power consumption is around 1.04 kilowatt. Whereas for lead acid battery pack, for 1 kilowatt hour battery, it will consume 1.3 kilowatts of power. So the electricity bill is high for a lead acid battery pack. And the second point is charging time. For lithium ion batteries, the charging time is 3 to 4 hours. Whereas for lead acid batteries, the charging time is 6 to 8 hours. And a point to be noted here that lithium ion batteries charging time or lead acid batteries charging time depends on the battery pack. The higher the battery pack, the more the charging time. Consider an example of an electric car. The electric car battery starts from 30 kilowatt hour or sometimes it's like 20 kilowatt hour. So for these battery packs, the charging time is more, like 6 to 8 hours, even though it is lithium ion battery pack, because the charging time also depends not only on the lithium ion battery but also the battery size and also the charger rating. And the third point is the energy density. For a lithium ion battery, the energy density lies between 100 watt hour to 265 watt hour per kilogram. But for lead acid battery pack, the energy density lies between 30 watt hour to 40 watt hour per kilogram. So lithium ion batteries having 3 times more energy density than lead acid battery pack. Let's take this battery as an example. Consider this lead acid battery have a capacity of 1 kilowatt hour. So for 1 kilowatt hour lead acid battery, it consumes this much amount of space. But if you use a lithium ion battery instead of lead acid battery here, it will consume only 1/3 space of this battery, because lithium ion batteries having high energy density when compared with lead acid batteries, and lithium ion batteries will consume very less space, like 1/3 of this lead acid battery. The fourth point is weight. For a 1 kilowatt hour lithium ion battery pack, the weight lies between 5 kilograms to 8 kilograms. For a lead acid battery pack of 1 kilowatt hour, the weight lies between 15 kilograms to 21 kilograms. And the fifth point is maintenance. Lithium ion batteries are maintenance free batteries, whereas for lead acid batteries, the maintenance is 10% when compared with lithium ion batteries, because earlier the lead acid batteries used are flooded lead acid batteries which require distilled water maintenance, and these you can see in the home inverters. But recently most of the lead acid batteries used in electric scooters are sealed lead acid batteries, and these lead acid batteries require very less maintenance of 10%, like checking the voltage and the wiring. And the sixth point is charge cycles. Typically a lithium ion battery charge cycles lies between 400 to 500 charge cycles. Charge cycle means one full charge and one full discharge is called as charge cycle. For lead acid batteries, the charge cycles are 200 to 250. The seventh point is warranty. Lead acid battery packs has a warranty of 1 year, whereas lithium ion batteries having a warranty of 2 to 3 years. But the company will say that the warranty in terms of either in years or in kilometers. They will say 30,000 kilometers or 40,000 kilometers or 2 years or 3 years of warranty, or else for an electric car they will say like 1,60,000 kilometers or 8 years of warranty. So it's like a terms and conditions where whichever comes first. If you used for 2 years, or else if you already drive for almost 1,60,000 kilometers, if you exceed that, you are no longer eligible for the warranty. The eighth point is availability. India is having 2.5 million tons of lead reserves, but Australia is having the highest lead reserves with 36 million tons. And the famous lead acid battery manufacturers are Amar Raja and Amron in India. But when you look at lithium ion reserves, India is having very less lithium reserves. Recently they found 14,000 tons of lithium in Manya, a city in Karnataka, but it is very less when compared with Chile, which is having the highest lithium reserves of 8.6 million tons. It's like comparing an elephant with an ant. So very negligible lithium reserves in India. So the ninth factor is cost. A lead acid battery of 1 kilowatt hour price starts from 8,000 rupees to 10,000 rupees. But on the other hand, lithium ion battery with a capacity of 1 kilowatt hour, the price starts from 18,000 rupees to 20,000 rupees. And this price factor actually depends on the quality of the battery cell. And finally, the 10th point is recycling. Lead acid battery having an advantage for recycling because lead acid batteries can be easily recycled, but whereas lithium ion batteries are very complex to recycle because the anode material and the remaining materials are to be separated. So that's all the comparison between two battery technologies, lithium ion and lead acid battery pack. And clearly lithium ion is the winner here because it is having more advantages and it is having less space. It will consume very less space, but it is having high energy density and also very fast charging also when compared with lead acid batteries. And also you can say lithium ion batteries is an advanced technology, like your 2G's phone and comparing with a 4G phone. So the 4G phone is an advanced one. In the same way, lithium ion is an advanced battery technology. And I can give you a better example. India's benchmark, you can say, the Mangalyaan mission. In Mangalyaan mission, for solar backup, lithium ion batteries are used. So that tells the importance of lithium ion batteries. Go green, go electric.
Electricvehicles.in motto is keeping the earth a safer place to live for the next generations. If you want to join our movement, you can support simply subscribing to our channel or sharing our videos or commenting on videos. Thanks for watching.